So I've talked to a lot of my friends, and a lot of them are impacted by this. That they want to work at Sick Kids, and they want to help. They want to help with everything, pretty much.
Well, some of them know, not all of them, but some of them know I had a transplant. They're okay with it. They say, wow, and they're shocked sometimes, and then they protect me too. So, like, if I get hit there and they say, are you okay? And yeah.
When I have to go and, like, I tell them that I have to go to the hospital, and they ask why, and I have to tell them, like, that I had a liver transplant when I was younger, and yeah, so at different periods.
The friends that I tell, when I tell them, they treat me okay. I'm fine with it. Some of them treat me differently. Like, they treat me nicer than before. Yeah.
I don't know, I'll be talking to my friend, and then their parent will come in, and they kind of treat me really different. Like, well, not really different, but like I'm fragile or something. I'm like, I'm fine. It was like 3 years ago. But, no, sometimes it bugs me, but then I remember that they all know because they were helping, and it's fine.
No, I don't think my friends treat me any differently than they would if I didn't have a liver transplant. Like, they treat me the same. They don't, like, they're not, like, scared of me or anything. Like, they treat me, like, the same.
I kind of made all new friends when I came back because I had been in middle school when I left. And then when I came back, I was in high school. So all of my friends had gone to one high school, and I went to a different one. So it didn't really change my relationship with friends because I had all new ones. So that was kind of I don't know, it's not the same, it's new.
Moving from grade 8 to high school, I'm really happy it was in grade 8, not high school, because high school, you miss a lot of things. You get a transplant, it's not the same, and people treat you a lot differently. I believe if you had a transplant in high school than grade 8. In grade 8, when I finally told my classmates, you know, they were all like, oh, OMG, like, really? I was like, yes, guys, I have kidney failure, and I'm gonna have a transplant soon. And they're like, no, wait, dude. And then, you know, I was like, yes, guys, you know, I told them the whole story, and they're really impressed. But I told them, you know, don't treat me any differently. And they listen to me.
A couple times in elementary school, we watched my video and with my friends, and my friends really like hearing like the story of me. And whenever I bring it up, like they always like to listen and hear about it. And yeah, it's nice to talk about it and like be able to like share it with my friends.
They still treat me the same, so I'm like lucky for that. I know a couple other people, they're like, don't touch the transplant. And I'm like, I don't care. I can do whatever I like. I still don't listen to teachers most of the time, but my friends do know me, and they do not treat me differently. And I told them, I think the first day we became friends, I'm like, yeah, I'm a heart transplant. And some of them didn't understand, but I explained it. And then now, my friends who are my friends, they have all signed to be a donor. So they have all put their names to be a donor. And they're trying to get their families to do it too, help out.
I don't know, it's always good to talk to people and people that are going through the same experiences. Like, it's good to know that other people go through it too, and not just yourself.
I meet new people, so I have met like different kinds of people, they come from all over the world. It's quite amazing. Like, if I didn't have my transplant, I wouldn't have met those people.
I can really see like how far they've gone in life and like what they've done, and I can do the same things that they've done, so it helps me to think that like I can do anything that like anybody else can do. Like I'm not special in a way that I can't do things that like everybody else can. So yeah.